Okay, again, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Information System or Introduction to Information Systems. Right now, our topic is about extending the organizations to customers. So the lesson provides students with a working knowledge of the principles and best practices for managing customer relationships. So the students learn how to quantify customer orientation and how to develop relationship-driven customer management systems based on the judicious use of resources born from a decisive strategic plan. So our learning outcomes. So at the end of the lesson, you are expected to first, define customer relationship management, customer touch points, and operational CRM systems and analytical CRM systems. Second, you have to enumerate and discuss the goals of CRM. Third, we're going to identify the basic principles of CRM. Fourth, differentiate the two major components of operational CRM systems. Fifth, discuss the purpose of analytical CRM systems. What is CRM or the customer relationship management? So a customer focused and customer driven organizational strategy. So that is, organizations concentrate on assessing customers' requirements for products and services and then providing high quality, responsive service. Okay, so the goals of CRM, first, customer satisfaction. So every company wants their customers to be satisfied. Satisfied customers are more likely to return to make further purchases, as well as promote a company's good name and make recommendations to others. Customers more than ever want to feel engaged with the companies that they are dealing with, and so if they feel like they are being listened to, consulted with, and respected, they will have a better user experience, which will make them more likely to return. So second goal of CRM is to run an efficient business. So using CRM can help businesses to develop better working practices, especially with departments such as customer service. Implementing CRM services through your business can help you react to customers' queries and concerns quicker and more efficiently. So meaning it will boost your productivity as well as adding to customer satisfaction. So how about produce better marketing campaigns? If you can work out who to target and what communications they respond to best, then you will be able to produce more efficient marketing campaigns. Then in gaining new customers, CRM will help you find a lot, or the CRM help you find out a lot of useful information about your customer base and will allow you to work out where there are gaps that need to be filled. While in boost sales, so finally, this last objective is what drives all of the other objectives above. With so much competition in the market today, it is important more than ever that businesses stay relevant and keep offering new things to their clients. So by improving the way your business operates, how the customer interacts with your business, and producing effective marketing strategies, you can hope to improve the way your business is viewed and encourage new customers, as well as ensuring that existing ones keep coming back. This will boost your profits and helps keep your company ahead of its competitors. Okay, we have these the tenets of CRM or the basic principles. So first is to create a one-to-one relationship between a customer and a seller. Number two, treat each customer differently. Number three, keep profitable customers and maximize lifetime revenue from them. And then, how about the customer touch points? Organizations must recognize the numerous and diverse interactions that they have with their customers. These various types of interactions are referred to as customer touch points. So what is a customer touch points? So example of customer touch points, we have the smart point, web, computer, physical store, sales representative, field service technician, direct mail, email, service center, customer service. So data can be gathered and analyzed from customers using what are known as customer touch points. These are points at which interactions may allow an organization to practice the above tenets of CRM. So the operational CRM system supports front office business processes. So front office processes are those that directly interact with customers, that is, sales, marketing, and service. So we have two major components of operational management. First, the customer-facing applications. Second, customer-touching applications. An organization, sales, field service, and customer interaction center representatives interact directly with customers is customer-facing applications. While in touching application, in contrast with customer-facing applications, where customers deal directly with a company representative, customers interact directly with these technologies and applications. Such applications are called customer touching CRM applications or electronic CRM or the eCRM application. So how about the benefits of operational CRM system? It is efficient, personalized marketing, sales, and service. A 360-degree view of each customer. It has the ability of sales and service employees to access history of customer interaction with the organization regardless of the touch point. How about the analytical CRM system? It uses customer behavior and perceptions in order to provide actionable business intelligence, which is the back end. Important technologies is in analytical CRM systems includes data warehouses, data mining, decision support. In analytical CRM systems, analyze customer data for a variety of purposes, including designing and executing targeted marketing campaigns, interacting customer acquisition, cross-selling, and upselling, providing input into decision relating to products and services, like, for example, pricing and product development. And last, we have providing financial forecasting and customer profitability analysis.